meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, after 4 days of much-needed rain, we're going to get summer back on track. Some drier air starting to work in, even some partial clearing, and live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar after some sprinkles and spots of drizzle earlier this evening. Not finding much out there now. Skies have been varying between partly and mostly cloudy. A little bit of the moon shining through the cloud cover right now. Kind of quiet in Providence. Temperatures at 66. Winds no longer northeast, which is a raw, wet wind direction. It's now west-northwest. That is a drier wind direction. So the drier air will be working in during the overnight hours. Storm system, and a fairly small, potent one at that, in the Gulf of Maine right now continues to pull away. On the back side of it, we're starting to see some clearing dropping down from upstate New York as that drier air back here in southeastern Canada starts to sweep across the area over the next 48 hours. So any early morning clouds at sunrise lifting and burning off, becoming sunny and dry. Temperatures starting off in the 70s, and then a noticeably warmer day. In fact, we were 60 degrees today, 70 degrees today, 85 degrees for tomorrow afternoon. So 15 degrees warmer with mainly sunny skies, just a few fair weather clouds as that feel of summer returns. Even along the coastline, there's not much of a sea breeze. It's more of a west wind. So shoreline areas should be between 80 and 85. So pretty warm. Inland spots around 85 to 86 with mostly sunny skies. Sunscreen, sunglasses, that's the weather gear across southeastern Mass from Seekonk to Swansea, New Bedford and Plymouth, all looking good with that dry westerly breeze on the bay. 5 to 15, small waves, good visibility. High tide Newport Harbor 9:27 in the morning, low tide just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're getting back to beach weather again. Sunshine 78 to 83 air temperature, water temp 70, 72, safe sun time running at 15 minutes. Boy, the hurricane season really starting to kick in and very active. Here's southern New England, the east coast of the United States. Hurricane Danielle, and further out in the eastern Atlantic is Tropical Storm Earl, even another system behind that. So things are picking up one storm at a time. First, Hurricane Danielle, which is looking more impressive on the satellite photo. It has more of a symmetrical shape with the cloud structure. You can see that twist, even an eye trying to form. Getting stronger. Here's southern New England. The track over the next 3 to 5 days into early next week intensifies it to a Category 3 hurricane, then weakens it a little bit into the central Atlantic, and obviously this kind of a path would bode well for the East Coast. However, it may start to kick up some swells and surf at area beaches by early next week. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Earl, which will become a hurricane, that track is noticeably different. It's further to the south and it's further towards the west. This may pose more of a threat to the East Coast sometime next week. Both systems are worth watching, and you can track them along with us. WPRI.com. We have an interactive hurricane tracking tool on our website. Look at that 7-day Futurecast. There's not a drop of rain, a spectacular weekend, and a big warm-up. 82 Saturday, near 90 Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week as summer makes a comeback. Overnight lows in the 60s and the 70s. So after 4 days of rain, we've got 7 days of nearly sunny weather. How's that?
That'd be great, because it was still that drizzly stuff tonight, too.
Yeah, much better tomorrow.
All right, thanks, Tony. Coming up next on Eyewitness News.